That's not right. Welcome back to Shopsicle Garage, where today I'm going to be fixing the lights by myself with this. First step, open the hatch, and then we got to pry out this thing. It don't work. Hi. These are obviously the 3 clips. They go in here, here, and here. And then you gotta take out this and that. Using a T15 to definitely loosen it. So loose that I don't even need the ratchet. I think I'm turning it the right way. Well, I suppose I am because it's working. Dong. Dong. Broski, where'd it go? This light, if it hasn't been out before, then we're going to use our trim tool here for something. Well, as you can see, it is kind of dark out. I took a little bit of a break and then I got very distracted. But let's see if it'll pop right out. Let me just twist this out real quick. Ah, it's cold. Ow. Well, there's the old bulb. And the new one. Okay, I got this twisted in. Now, let's put it back. Okay, I got it in. Now we have to put in the screws. I don't like the next step. couldn't see it. Okay, now we're getting this thing lined up. Popped right into place. Now let's test the light to see if it works. Well, it works, which is good, because it's fixed. It's getting really late, so I don't have a shopsicle today. But don't forget to eat your shopsicles.